Hey, I got some exciting news for you. I get wear my flannel. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Anyway, hey, we just bought this house and I want to go over a couple things with you as far as what we can do to help you as a seller in this market. So as you notice, the yard is pretty trashed. It has pretty big weeds in it and stuff like that. And then as we come into the house, this area in the porch is a cute house, it really is. But the porch is a lot of stuff here. And then we come into the house and once again, a lot of stuff. So the idea is, if you have a house that needs to be sold, I have ways that I can help you get this house sold. I have means to be able to clean it up. We have dump bed trailers. I have the manpower to be able to come in and clean a house if you need it. So depending on what you're looking for, as far as wanting to get equity out, wanting to get more money out of the home, and maybe you don't have the time or the resources to take care of the home, to get it cleaned out, to get it fixed up or whatever, give me a call. I'd love to chat with a couple ideas that I have, a couple ways that we can help you save your equity and put the equity in your pocket, not in anyone else's pocket. We offer professional staging, professional decluttering, professional photography, professional lawn care. As we're getting colder, we may not need that so much until spring, but it's still an offer. Anyway, give me a call. Let me know what you want, how I can help you and how I can assist you. Check the link below and go from there. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.